.200H Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment: 4-speed automatic, 8-sill, painted bumpers, multi-function steering wheel, airbag deactivation, vanity mirrors, side impact door beams, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, trailer wiring, EBD electronic brake assist, power steering, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, cruise control, compass, bed liner, running boards, tonneau cover, child safety locks, auto headlight delay, daytime running lights, anti-theft device S, folding rear seats, auto express down window, door pocket S, trailer towing hitch, power driver's seat, privacy glass, power mirrors, rear window defroster, reading light S, outside temperature gauge, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, intermittent wipers, anti-lock braking system, anti-lock brake system, tow hooks, beverage holder S.